Every time a school group got together, we had just so many stories to share, and we thought it's not just us who has these stories, right? So we thought, let's just get together, all Cooperites together, and just reminisce in our golden memories at MCET.
It all began on 25th April at 2 a.m. and the night when all the school-related nostalgia hit on a Zoom call.
Within the next 2 hours, we had a Facebook page, Insta page, and a YouTube channel in place.
Do not forget to like our video and leave your suggestions in the comments below so that we can keep improving.
सिर्फ एग्जाम्स में आंसर मत शेयर किया करो और हमारे वीडियो भी शेयर किया करो प्लीज.
Of course, as a content creator, I do not expect a lot from the fans. But यार एक शिकायत है तुमसे. यार तुम लोग हर वीडियो देखते हो, but सब्सक्राइब नहीं करते यार. Guys, that icon is blinking right there. दबा दो ना उसे.
अरे ये स्कूल की घंटी नहीं है यारो, ये YouTube की घंटी है. बजाओ, press the bell icon and never miss another update from NCT podcast.
Gitika ma'am's multiple career choices were the pick of the season. I think she should have ventured into stand-up comedy as reinforced by the episode.
So Kashmira ma'am's reaction to her favorite canteen food, honestly, all the Cooperites, the teachers and the students think alike.
I think the best moment during the podcast was when Jessica Daruwala was announced as the principal. So I guess without even knowing it, we had episodes with our former principal and our current principal as well.
Getting to hear the stories and memories of all the participants for our podcast was the most overwhelming part. It's amazing how our school can mean so many different things to different people.
Chinmay's like shit, fuck up, and Vora's tongue, and Laksh is missing out on his lines. Oh, that was very sad. But sadly, this got edited, so wait for a blooper reel and behind-the-scenes content to get a hold of this.
So the best thing to have come out of the podcast is that now I get to use the tag of content creator, which would not have happened.
So starting off, we actually needed a lot of permission from the school, a few emails or WhatsApp messages, but then eventually we got the permission and we executed it successfully.
Figuring out roles for each one of us and learning the specifics of it was a challenge at the beginning. But now we are much better and Kshitij edits like he's been doing it for decades.
Initially, we set a target for the number of viewers and followers, but I'm beyond excited to see how far we've come and for all the love you guys will show us the next season.
Even though all of us had our work on the side, it was amazing how effectively we worked on this.
What was commendable is, in a month's time, we had episodes for the next 6 weeks lined up and scheduled on YouTube.
Bad internet connectivity leading to lags in videos, drive being flooded up with the Zoom recordings, laptop started giving us.
As you can see, it was a struggle to keep the content family friendly.
So I got to know that yes, I also need to add professionalism to my friends group, and secondly, a lot of coordination, a lot of team management, and at the same time, the weekly calls that we needed to be a part of definitely. So yes, I did learn discipline also. So yeah, it was fun, and I had a great time with all my team members.
So I haven't really been on any episode because my Wi-Fi is so bad, but I mostly ideate for Maniji Mondays and video episodes.
Every poster that goes up on our page and even the cute little poem, which you all must have read, I'm hoping, was written by me. But these guys don't even give me credit, yeah.
You may have not seen me on all the episodes since I work that bit better behind the screens. We had started off with one editor, Moa, and by the end of this season, we have 3 great editors as well. So I think I've done a decent job.
You all may not have seen me on a lot of episodes, but I've been involved in the scripting and content writing of most of the episodes, and yeah, it's been super fun.
Of course, we won't stop making content, though we'll take occasional breaks.
Though the episodes of season 2 are very exciting, but they're a long way away. But don't worry, friends, we've got something really exciting coming up on our channel very soon.
So we'll be having an inter-batch competition soon, which will be up on YouTube. So stay tuned to know more.
We know that you guys love the podcast, and so do we. So there are going to be a lot of activities that are going to keep you engaged between the 2 seasons. So please stay tuned.
The one with Principal Ma'am, Kashmira Gundevia. Oh my god. Like getting to know her was amazing. Like no one knew so much about her. Like thank you so much MCD podcast team for that.
And I think all episodes have been pretty good. And I noticed that you guys had a mix of stuff. So you all had the masterclass, you all had old memories, you all had teacher talk. I think the filmmaking masterclass, and it was really nice. And the bus stories was hilarious. I know Nishad and Prathamesh had sort of spoken in that, and that was really crazy.
For me, obviously, since I was a part of the football team, I think that episode is really close to my heart. Like the first championship and, reliving all those memories. I think there couldn't have been a better episode.
So one episode that I really enjoyed was the one which spoke about the school trips. It was one of my favorite episodes because school trips was something that I always looked forward to. So it was an amazing time looking at the video. It was really nice.
I think one of the episodes was, with Kashmira ma'am herself. I think one of the questions that you guys had asked was, what does she like the most in the canteen, I believe. And, it's so good to, hear that she loves, the same things that we did. And, her response to that samosa answer was so nice. Like, you could just see the sparkle in her eye.
The one with Jessica ma'am, I could actually relate to a lot of points on that episode. And one of the really nice answers by Jessica ma'am was when I think you'll asked her how is it working with celebrities or sort of teaching celebrities, and I really like her answer when she said all of you are celebrities.
It was interesting to know that Principal Ma'am's playlist is quite happening. That was crazy.
One of the things that Geetika said was about how she, how her interview lasted less than 5 minutes, and the only thing that Mrs. Hasla cared about was how she would not take any leaves.
The Wednesday quizzes, I always used to wait for Wednesdays when the quizzes came, and I enjoyed solving all of them because they all were so related to school and it was too much fun. I think I really liked it.
Oh, the questions and answers on the stories. Because it used to literally test my knowledge that, how much you remember maybe from the geography or the Hindi. Especially the Hindi one was fun.
When you're uploading the videos with the teachers and you have to guess the teacher, like which teacher is this, you feel like competitive within yourself that, yeah, I know this teacher.
And honestly, the way you would build up to an episode by asking those questions, it really wanted... I just wanted to see that episode even earlier, right?
In the Manikji trivia, this is just generally I liked all of them, but I think the one I really liked was the more recent one where tag multiple friends against, who was the greenhouser from your batch or something like that.
I think your page is one of those go-to pages wherein, let's do an activity, let's look at your story, and then there's trivia and there's old moments and whatnot. So I'm a huge trivia fan. And I really like old memories as well. It's gets me to nostalgia. There's some trivia that you all had on answering some school subjects like what soil is this and so on. I think I answered a lot of them wrong, so maybe time for me to go back to school, but those were really nice.
We should do a batch-wise session, talking a lot about our school memories, maybe a lot about the fair. Because the farewell was one of the most emotional, at the same time the most fun.
On the masterclass thing, maybe extending it to another level wherein you teach something specifically. I know it can be a little tricky, but more of a do-it-yourself or a learning session. It could be cooking, it could be anything. I think that's going to be really exciting to see as well.
Maybe you all can come up with more videos of the teachers and maybe a student teacher and maybe some of the must-sees.
Definitely a lot more teachers. And even those cooking podcasts and music podcasts that you all have, I'm sure there are a lot more other fields that you all can explore.
I would love to see more of the generation thing because, I don't know, that's just fun to watch, people discussing their stories against the different generations. I mean, yeah.
A lot of us still don't know what's happening with the recent generation. So I think, getting a perspective from their end would be something that I would really like to watch.
Keep doing what you're doing. I eagerly wait for your episodes from time to time. Keep reaching out to alumni. if you can help in any way. I mean, it's tough times and Cooperites stick together. So reach out to any of us, and I'm sure all of us would be happy to help.
You all have done a fab job. I think this is the best way that we all could relive our school memories, since I'm sure, school is one of the best places that we all have been to, and I hope to see many more seasons.
A very, very, very big thank you to all of you, and keep going. You're keeping all of the Cooperites together. All the very best.
Amazing work, guys. Like, thank you so much. Like, because of you all, we went down the memory lane and complete nostalgia. Like,
the MCET podcasts have been the best thing happen in the entire quarantine. I think it has gotten tears in my eyes, and I really, really miss school a lot.
It takes a lot of effort. There's a lot of thought that's gone into it. They're all very well structured, and it's a lot of fun to watch. Like, it doesn't get boring. And I can see that you all have put an effort to even think of questions to ask whoever comes on the show and all of that. So I would like to thank you all, because it's a way for us to like walk down the memory lane.
Like, hats off to you guys for, taking this initiative. I really have tremendous gratitude for all of you, the team, and I think it's a collective effort from you guys. So thank you so much for everything. And I just hope that you guys continue this.
Season 2 बाकी है. अभी मेरे बच्चों, wait and watch.